Here's an update on Sky Striker. We got a lot more concrete down below. Some ground cleared out here. I wonder if that's going to be like part of the queue up in the front there. They've got some sidewalk work going on here. Because we need a way to get to American Eagle, as well as Sky Striker, but yeah. Wonder what it's all going to be. And how it's going to look in the final rendering. Wonder if that building back there will be the operating booth. Who knows? But we look forward to seeing what it is. Oh, cool, that path to nowhere is fixed.